Today I will present you another very exciting feature of the new 744, the monocoque. The monocoque consists of carbon fiber, but let's go in the detail now. In the monocoque of the new 744 we have incorporated all our experience on carbon fiber technology. We use several different technologies to reduce the weight as well as increasing the stiffness. Both we have achieved in a very dramatic way compared to the old Aventador. To give you one example, for instance, in this monocoque we use a so-called rocker ring. This rocker ring is a unique part that combines several different parts, allowing us the best functional integration, less parts, less weight, more stiffness. For the first time in a serious production car, we used even a carbon fiber front end, including the crash elements, the so-called cones. These are made of forged carbon fiber that enables really an extremely high energy absorption, enabling on one hand an improved safety combining with a reduced weight. So we have seen that carbon fiber as part of our technology DNA plays also in the 744 a very important role. In the next chapter I will explain you the experience that the driver can have with the new car with the different driving modes, enabling a thrilling and exciting driving experience. So stay tuned.